All right, what's up, everybody? So, as much as I love vehicles and I love Toyotas and Lexus and Honda, Acura, all the beautiful Highline cars of the world, I want to talk to you real quickly about Lexus. And give me just 1 minute to cut the AC down a little bit and get that radio off a little bit, all that hippity hoppity hip hop, before we get a copyright strike on me. But anyways, let's get a little leg room here. I'm about 6'1", and one thing's nice on these Lexus ES class vehicles, it's got a lot of leg room in here. Those seats go back pretty far. But what I want to tell you about today, folks, is something that I've noticed on these older Lexus vehicles from 2007, 06, 08, right around there, back in the 2000s. They got dash problems, they really do. And it's not the dealership's fault, okay? It's the manufacturer's fault. And I know that, a lot of people out there are looking at these cars to buy one, right? They go to an older used car lot, where a little bit older cars are at, like I'm out here. And, they see the car, they look at it, and they're like, wow, what a beautiful vehicle. And then you sit inside the car and you got this glare on the dash, okay? And I'm gonna show you what this looks like in just a minute. And if you got a Lexus and this started happening, let me tell you, folks, this is something that's happening. It's happening on many Lexuses all over the countryside here in beautiful the USA of America. But anyways, let me show you real quick what we got going on and be right back. As you can see here, I mean, this beautiful shiny surface here. At first, when I first started working here and started seeing this thing going on with these Lexus cars on their dashes, I thought, well, maybe it's wet, or maybe someone spray painted it up there. But I mean, guys, the love bugs that fly around outside around this time of year are flying around in there, right? They're flying around in the car and they're getting stuck. They're getting stuck to the dash. I mean, look at this. I mean, just a love bug sitting there, just dead in the dash. The dash is melting. That's exactly what's going on. The dash is melting, which is causing this residue to come up and get all sticky in here. See my fingerprints? I mean, this is insane. But there's not much there's not many options of what you can do to fix this. Okay, I mean, we put a piece of paper on here. Look at this, just to kind of show you what we got going on. Okay, I mean, there's the residue on the paper right there. The paper has done stuck to the dash. Okay. And it's doing it all the way across over there. This is not the only Lexus here on the lot today that's got this problem. This is a ES350. It also is happening on Lexus LS460s. So I sold one to a guy about 2 weeks ago, and it was doing this. And it was doing it even up in here. And the guy took it to our local Lexus dealership in Charleston, and supposedly there was a recall on this. And the recall on some of the vehicles ended in 2017. Now, unfortunately, we're in 2019 right now, and the recall ended in 2017. He was lucky enough to run across a good service manager, and they went ahead and ordered him a new dash for his car, since there was a recall open on the dashes in them. Now, what that Lexus dealership is basically doing is they're doing the right thing. They're earning the customer's business and service and taking care of him and getting him, exactly what he needs. So as you can see, we got a Lexus ES right there, a little difficult to see, and then we got an LS460 there. Both of those vehicles are doing this with the dash right now. So, it's something that's a reoccurring thing. And basically, here's my thoughts on it in general. And I know there's a lot of people probably watching this right now on YouTube, because if you bought a Lexus from a dealer and you just started noticing this, or maybe you've owned one for a while, if you've owned it for a while since it was new, or your second owner, you probably already know what's going on. But if you just bought one, like a lot of other people out there buying them at used car stores, if the dealer's not telling you what's going on with this, they need to inform you. So you're probably doing some research online and trying to learn a little bit more. But the dash is melting, and that's really all there is to it. I don't know what Toyota Lexus did, but they obviously used some really weird materials. Something got mixed up improperly. I don't know. But, if you live up north, you're probably good to go because the weather's a little cooler. But believe me, guys and girls, these dashes get over 150 degrees in the summertime. You got to think, guys, if it's outside today and it's 92 degrees, how hot is this car on the inside, especially a black dash, baking on there? So I'm gonna tell you what your options are in just a second. So I mean, realistically, the only options you have is this. You can go online and buy a one of those carpet type of dash covers, okay? A dash mat. And you can buy that for around 50 bucks, maybe get one a little less. You can get it in black and you can stick it on top of that dash there. That's probably gonna be the cheapest route you can go to basically cover up all that stickiness. Okay, so that's one option, right? The cheapest amount. Second option, you can go to a company online called Coverlay, and they make an actual kind of a hard plastic type of material, and they make basically like a cover that goes on the dash that's hard, and it will feel like your dash. And basically, you probably won't even have to put any glue on it because it's already got the glue stickiness going on, but you basically get glue on there and you glue that thing down to your dash. That's your second option. Your third option is going to your local Toyota/Lexus dealership and basically talking with them about maybe getting it fixed, okay? You know, you don't want to go on option number 4, having to buy a brand new dash for your car, because you're talking about thousands of dollars probably. Then you got to pull the thing out. I mean, you're talking about a lot of money getting wrapped up into buying the dash and then getting someone to install it. So if you can get them a service manager at the Lexus store to get it covered under warranty, great. If not, go with option 1 with the carpet cover, or option 2, getting the Coverlay. That's about it. And it's not just Lexus, guys and girls. Let me tell you, I purchased a 2004 Toyota 4Runner a few months ago, and my dash isn't melting. My dash is all cracked up. And it also had a recall on it. The recall's up, and I wish Toyota would put a new dash in there. And I'm gonna go visit the Toyota store, but my Toyota 4Runner dash is cracked up. It looks like the desert, all cracked on the ground. So it's something Toyota was doing back in the 2000s. I wish it never happened, but let me tell you, you know, you got this beautiful older car that you love, you want to take care of it. You only wish to have a nice dash. It's the main thing you're looking at every day. Anyways, guys, hope that was helpful. If you got any information or any help that you can offer towards this subject, please put it down in the comment section. We'll see you soon. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.